Yo, welcome back to another video in my YouTube channel, and again, this is Jaime, and today I'm going to teach you how to do Lazer Sound. Lazer Sound have two different ways to do it, the inward and the outward. In this video, I will show you how to do outward Lazer Sound. Yung outward Lazer Sound, and meron siyang dalawang step para magawa mo ito. Okay, let's proceed to the first step. Ang kailangan mong gawin sa first step ay parang sabihin mo yung chewy, 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 chewy. Pero hindi mo lang siya sasabihin ng normal na pagkakasabi mo ng chewy. Ang gagawin mo kumbaga parang lalagyan mo siya ng hangin. Habang sinasabi mo yung chewy, chewy na may hangin. Chewy. Okay, get it? Okay. Second step. Sa second step, ang gagawin mo ay ganito. Pero hindi lang yun. Hindi lang basta mo ginagawa yung ganyan. Ito yung medyo tricky. Kailangan mong gawin yung first step at yung second step ng sabay. Chewy na mahangin, tapos yung second step na pagsamahin mo yung dalawang yun. First step and second step. First step. Second step, kailangan natin magsabahin yung movement ng lips mo na ganito. Tapos yung first step na chewy. Ganito yung magiging sounds. Sana meron kayo natutunan sa beatbox tutorial nito ng Lazer Sound. At kung meron kayong katanungan, free kayo na mag-comment dyan sa baba kung anong gusto nyong itanong sa akin. Okay, gaya ng lagi ko sinasabi, like this video, share this video to your friends, and comment down below kung anong gusto nyong i-comment. Syempre, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for you to be updated to the latest videos. Hanggang sa muli, ako po si Jaime. Kita-kita tayo sa next na mga videos ko. Bye-bye.